Yin Yoga seal pose. This pose is very similar to the Sphinx, but takes a little bit more intense from my point of view on the lower back. It can be quite stressful, a bit too stressful, I feel, for lower back. It's far more yang-like than the Sphinx, because the upper back muscles are working, the arm muscles are working. It's a much more intense stretch, one of the beauties of this pose, from a hip flexor point of view. So it is a good pose, especially if you spend time either in a lot of forward flex positions, so if you spend a lot of time sat down for a living. And I will show how to get into that pose. Basically, you start off in the Sphinx pose. Press your palms into the ground to lift your arms and chest off the ground, lifting the heart and pulling your shoulders back and down. Now for me, when I teach this, I like to keep people's pubic bone and their navel staying in contact with the ground. So it's basic trigonometry, so you're not going up as high as you saw Tanya do there. You can take the arms either wider and or further out in front, and you're not going up as far. It's less stressful on the lower back. Personally, I don't include this in my yin routines. I just think it's a bit too intense on the lower back. You get far more out of the Sphinx, which is just my opinion. And this is the seal.